So, given what else I'm adding in this, I'm not going to use any Georgia Bishop gin for this one. I'm just using my tankery. I'm putting 100 mils, because again I'm making 2 cocktails. Okay, so half quantities if you were doing it for just one. I'll put 100 mils of the gin, and now I want 50 mils of espresso coffee. Oops, better pour that in there then. Which I made earlier, and then let's chilled it. So in that goes. He says making a mess. What else do I want in there? Sugar syrup. I want 50 mils of sugar syrup. In that goes. That's it. So now we're just going to put the lid on, and I'll make sure I put that lid on as well. And in this case, this wants a lot of shaking. Because we want to get that crema, that like foamy appearance on the top. I'm not quite sure we've actually got that frothiness yet, but let's see. So we pour in our gin. Yeah, we've got that nice little head on it, and I'm going to garnish this. Throwing the lid on off, probably sink to the bottom. Now, rather than just coffee beans, which is what you normally do, I've got chocolate coated coffee beans. Yeah, it just sank. So there is our Gin Espresso Martini with a sunken chocolate covered coffee bean. That's nice.